Jimmy's Meal Repair. How can I help you? Sure, we help with soup. Like a vegetable soup? Uh-huh. What was the base? I said, what was the base? Uh-huh. Well, how long did you let it cook for? Uh-huh. Well, once you get a taste like that, it's kind of hard to get that out. Maybe you can add some kind of spice in there. Have you thought about doing that? No, not salt. Why don't you bring it in? We can probably take a look for you. Sure, just bring the whole pot. We're open till 6. You betcha. Have a nice day.